If you are over the age of 70, listen carefully. Medical studies show that after age 70, adults lose up to 1 pound of muscle every year, even if their weight stays the same. By age 80, many seniors have already lost 30 to 40% of their muscle mass. And here is the frightening part. Muscle loss is the #1 predictor of falls, fractures, and loss of independence in seniors. Once a senior falls and breaks a hip, 50% never fully recover their independence. Within 1 year, the risk of death nearly doubles. Most seniors believe this weakness is normal aging. It is not. It is silent, progressive, and often preventable, but only if you act early. Today, I will show you 2 daily foods that clinical research has linked to measurable muscle improvement in as little as 30 days, even in adults over 70. Ignore this and your muscles continue shrinking. Watch carefully and you may protect your strength, balance, and independence. Let me be very clear. This information is not opinion or internet speculation. This guidance is based on the clinical work of geriatric physicians, nutrition researchers, and muscle physiology specialists with 20 to 30 years of experience. Doctors like Dr. Stuart Phillips, a leading muscle protein researcher, and clinicians who have treated thousands of seniors suffering from sarcopenia, frailty, and post-fall recovery. In multiple clinical settings, seniors following targeted nutrition protocols showed improved muscle strength, better walking speed, reduced fall risk, and higher quality of life. This is evidence-based medicine, explained simply. To understand the solution, you must first understand the problem. As we age, 3 critical changes occur. 1. Anabolic resistance. Your muscles become less responsive to protein. Even if you eat protein, your body doesn't use it efficiently. 2. Lower muscle protein synthesis. After age 65, the body's ability to build new muscle drops by 30 to 40%. 3. Inflammation. Chronic low-grade inflammation silently breaks down muscle tissue. This combination creates a perfect storm. Muscle breaks down faster than it rebuilds, and most seniors are unknowingly eating foods that make this worse. Mistake number 1, eating light or low-protein meals. Scientific danger. Low-protein intake accelerates muscle breakdown. Study data. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors consuming less than 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight lost muscle 2x faster. Patient story. A 74-year-old woman eating toast, tea, and soup daily complained of weakness. Within 6 months, she required a walker, not because of age, but because of protein deficiency. Mistake number 2, avoiding fats completely. Scientific danger. Healthy fats are essential for hormones and muscle repair. Study data. Low-fat diets in seniors are associated with higher inflammation and muscle wasting. Patient story. A 78-year-old man removed all fats due to cholesterol fear. His muscle strength declined rapidly despite normal weight. E. Solution segment. Core promise. Now, let's talk about the 2 daily foods that matter most. Food number 1. High-quality protein. Eggs or Greek yogurt. Scientific benefit. Eggs and Greek yogurt are rich in leucine, the amino acid that directly signals muscle growth. Study results. Clinical trials showed that seniors consuming 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal experienced improved muscle strength in 30 days, better balance and mobility, reduced muscle loss progression. Action plan. Eat 2 eggs daily or 1 bowl of plain Greek yogurt. Prefer morning or midday for best absorption. Food number 2. Omega-3 rich food. Fatty fish or flaxseed. Scientific benefit. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce muscle inflammation and enhance protein absorption. Study data. A study in clinical nutrition showed seniors taking omega-3 experienced up to 10% increase in muscle protein synthesis, improved walking speed in 12 weeks. Action plan. Eat fish 2 to 3 times a week, or 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed daily. If you are over 60 or caring for someone who is, this channel is built for you. Please like this video so more seniors see it, subscribe for medically reviewed senior health guidance, comment your age and biggest concern, muscle loss, balance, or weakness. Your engagement helps this information reach those who need it most. Muscle loss is not just about strength. It determines whether you walk independently, whether you live at home, whether you avoid hospital visits, whether your later years are active or dependent. The good news is this: it is never too late to protect your muscles. With just 2 daily foods, you can preserve independence, reduce fall risk, improve quality of life, lower medical expenses. Your body is still listening. It still responds when given the right signals. Subscribe to this channel for trusted, senior-focused health guidance. Your future strength depends on what you do today. Thank you for watching.